Hi guys, sagutin natin to. Pwede po ba mag-fund for only 5k initial deposit to activate yung COL account? So, this came from my post na about sa stock market trading, no? So, yes, pwede po. 5k, pwede po. Actually, minimum na po yata is 1k. And 5k is pwede. And pwede kayong mag-add or mag-deposit later on. So, I highly suggest that you make it habitual or regular na mag-deposit to cost average yung mga stocks na hinawakan natin or binibili natin. So, para meron tayong buying power. So, anytime na magkaroon ng opportunity sa stock market or sa stocks na hinuhold mo or binibili mo, I can always add on to that. So, in stock market, we do cost averaging, we do investing, we hold it for a very long time. But of course, kung tataas naman siya for just a few months or just a few days, why not, 'di ba? So pwede naman nating ibenta agad 'yan. Then look for another opportunity with other stock. But if not, we can do accumulation, no? So just like what we are doing with the current market right now, yung Ayala Land, SMPH, mga malls and mga energy sectors na hinahawakan natin. We do cost averaging to that. We continually add on to those winners na mga companies, no. So there's nothing wrong kung bumababa. There's not kung maganda yung company and bumababa yung stock price, and you do your research well, or you have someone to do your research. So that's why we have a Truly Rich Club. So we are fed with the right information, so that we can do the right decisions then when buying or selling our stocks. So I highly invite you to join Truly Rich Club. So nandiyan yung link niyan sa may description box or sa may link natin. And there, so kung tama naman yung information mo and okay naman yung kumpanya, so continually nag-grow sila. So you can do cost averaging with that. So that's it. Thank you so much. You have a great day.